Singapore may be a small country, but we have strived to be at the leading edge of digital innovation. Singapore continues to invest significantly in quantum to strengthen our digital growth and security. We do this by collaborating with global partners on frontier tech, developing and attracting world-class talents, and uplifting our local workforce and enterprises.
Singapore's progress in science and technology has always been guided by sustained investments in research, innovation, and enterprise.
At the National Quantum Office, we bring together research community, government, and industry to advance quantum science and technology. Through the National Quantum Computing Hub, we are translating research into practical applications.
The Helios systems developed by Quantinuum represents more than a milestone in computing. We are laying the foundations for technologies that will keep Singapore at the frontier of innovation.
This increases our ability to attract quantum computing companies and deep tech talent to make Singapore a hub for quantum computing.
Our collaboration with global players like Quantinuum connects Singapore's ecosystem to cutting-edge capabilities that will shape the industries of the future.
Singapore's quantum ecosystem is growing rapidly. With industry partners like Quantinuum and NVIDIA, our researchers are gaining hands-on experience.
Having Quantinuum as a partner is like a dream because we have the talent, we have the ideas, but now we will have the machine.
My very heartiest congratulations to NQO and Quantinuum. This is a very strategic partnership, and this will help advance the application of cutting-edge quantum science